Hello friends, welcome to Health and Beauty Planet. Nowadays gaining belly fat is a common problem among people, especially teenagers. If you are suffering from this problem and want to lose weight quickly and effectively, please keep watching this video until end. I am gonna suggest few tips and tricks which will help you to lose belly fat very fast. At end of this video I will provide you a summary of all the activities needed to lose belly fat. You could take screenshot of that page and follow it. I am also gonna suggest few things which you should not to do while losing weight. So let's begin. In this video, I am gonna suggest you a list of activities. You need to follow it every day until you lose belly fat. Usually it takes 2 to 3 weeks to lose belly fat completely, if you follow all the steps which I am suggesting. This is most effective way to lose weight which is tested many times, and every time it works. Action 1. Almost zero sugar. Sugar is not necessary for running the body. Almost everybody takes sugar in tea or coffee, many times in a day. Other than tea and coffee, sugar is present in bread, cereal, cracker, pancakes, alcohol, yogurt, almost everywhere. It is high in few fruits also, like banana, apple, pineapple, pears, watermelon, pomegranates, mango, etc. Here is the list of sugar contain. Peaches, 13 grams of sugar per medium peach. Blueberries, 15 grams of sugar per cup. Grapes, 15 grams of sugar per cup. Pineapple, 16 grams of sugar per slice. Here is complete list. These are very high amount of sugar. If you eat these fruits, you can't lose belly fat. So stop eating these fruits. Action 2. No snacks, no tea, no coffee, no soft drink. This activity is most important. Whenever you eat any food including snacks, insulin increases. You don't want to do that. Because of more frequent spiking in insulin, it's very hard to lose weight. You need to restrict the number of meals in a day. Because tea, coffee and soft drinks have a lot of sugar in it, so it is advised to avoid these drinks. Action 3. Only 3 meals in a day. You need to do intermittent fasting between 2 meals. So it is advised to have maximum 3 meals in a day. Once you are comfortable, you can do 2 meals in a day. Insulin is hormone responsible for belly fat or midsection fat. Action 4. Eat a lot of vegetables. You need to flush out all the fat coming out of your body. You need potassium for this. You must eat a lot of raw vegetables so that you will get enough potassium to burn your belly fat. Just only eating vegetables alone won't help. You need to apply all suggested tips together. Your body needs 4.7 grams of potassium every day in order to burn the fat. If you don't eat enough potassium, you will end up having fatty liver. Action 5. Eat protein. Protein is necessary for reducing the weight. Your body needs a certain amount of protein every day. You should eat balanced protein according to your body need. Eating too much protein is also bad as it will spike your insulin hormone. Remember, insulin is the biggest hurdle. Insulin is the reason why I am suggesting to reduce the number of meals a day. Action 6. Regular walking and more sleep. In order to reduce weight, morning or evening walk is necessary. It will burn excess calories stored in your body while sleeping. Morning walk is preferable as you will get pure oxygen in the morning. You should increase duration as your body gets more time to flush out the fat. Fat burning happens more in night than day. That's why every morning when you wake up you will see you have lost little weight. Things to do to speed up the weight loss process. If you want to speed up the belly fat loss process, you can do couple of things. You can have potassium supplement to expedite the process. Potassium helps to fix the insulin resistance problem. Consuming apple cider vinegar is also helpful as it helps to lower blood sugar level. Take 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar with 1 glass of water, mix it and drink 1 glass in the morning and 1 glass in the evening. Things not to do. Stress. Try to not take stress. Avoid monosodium glutamate, it's called MSG. It's bad for health, and if you eat products which have high MSG in it, you're not gonna lose weight, no matter what you do. MSG is almost everywhere, in all restaurant foods, all the noodles. Please try these home remedies and suggested tricks. Please share your comments below, and if you have question, please ask it in comment box. I will reply it my best knowledge. Thanks for watching, and please give thumbs up to this video. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel.